We're here at Best Auto Service Center located in Tannersville. Joining me is Tom. Tom, let's tell everybody what makes Best Auto different than everybody else.
What makes us different is that we really pay attention to the customer's concerns, and we want to address any kind of issues that they have.
I understand you have one of the best warranties in the area.
Yes, we do. We offer 24,000 miles or 24 months, and it's a nationwide warranty, so it covers the customer no matter where they're at.
So to bring it in for a repair, that warranty
is covered anywhere they're driving, yes. Everybody is trained. They're also very professional at the front counter. John and Brett, they explain things to the customer rather than just saying you need this, this, or that. They explain it. And also another thing to back that up is we have in the waiting room, we have a big digital board from AC Delco. So it'll show the customer, say if they're having a brake issue, it'll show a video of what exactly is happening. They're stepping on the brake and the caliper is compressing the pads onto the rotor, and the rotor has a thickness variation, and that's what causes the pulsation. But we have hundreds of videos.
I also understand too that if they're not here, but they find a problem with the car, that you can send them a picture or a video that shows them what the issue is.
Yeah, we use tablets now. We have been using for a couple of years now. So the technicians put on the tablets any of their findings with the vehicle. And that's good or bad. We take pictures like the tires are good. We show the tires are good, the suspension is good. So we're showing the customer that's not just all bad. But things that need to be attended to, they do take pictures, they can take videos. We'll send that to the customer via a text and or email. So it's like having a customer in the bay.
Speaking of tires, you have deals going on with rebates?
Yes, we have some rebates right now, Yokohama, Continental, and then throughout the summer there'll be other rebates too as well. The best thing is a customer to give us a call or just stop in.
Now let's take a look at Best Auto used cars. Tom, you always have a great variety of vehicles here. What do people get when they get a car from Best Auto?
What they get is a car that's been thoroughly checked over by our certified technicians in the shop. Anything it needs, we fix them, and before it goes out onto the used car lot. We also detail them too, inside and out, so they're really clean, they look new, they're shiny.
They look great, and you have quite a variety here, everything from sedans to SUVs.
Yes, we do, and we have more coming because we've been selling so many of them.
When you get a used car, a lot of times you have to buy a warranty for the car. You're giving them the warranty with the car.
Yes, we are.
That's great.
So that's another thing that helps the customer.
And of course, financing is available.
Financing is available. We do good credit, bad credit, or if somebody had a bankruptcy, a repossession, that's usually not a problem.
And if they want to see your cars, they can go online, bestautoUsedCars.com.
Yes. Or they could stop in any time and look at them at the lot, or give us a call too.
So Tom, if people want more information about repairs or used cars, where do they go?
They can go to bestautoservicecenter.com or bestautoUsedCars.com, or they could visit us at 2945 Route 611 in Tannersville.